In the previous lecture, we learned how to access the Pi's terminal. But in some scenarios, accessing the GUI of the Raspberry Pi is important. To do this, we will use virtual network computing. So let us learn about it. VNC or Virtual Network Computing is a graphical desktop sharing system that uses the RFB protocol to remotely control another computer. It transmits the keyboard and mouse events from one computer to another, relaying the graphical screen updates back in the other direction over a network. VNC is platform independent. A VNC viewer on one operating system may connect to a VNC server on the same or any other operating system. There are clients and servers for many GUI-based operating systems. Multiple clients may connect to a VNC server at the same time. Popular uses for this technology include remote technical support and accessing files on one's work computer from one's home computer or vice versa. VNC was originally developed at the Olivetti Research Laboratory in Cambridge, United Kingdom. The original VNC source code and many modern derivatives are open source under the GNU General Public License. The VNC server runs on the remote computer and shares its desktop environment with the VNC client. The server listens on a specific TCP IP port for incoming connections from the client. Once the connection is established, the server sends a copy of the remote desktop environment to the client, which can be viewed and controlled by the user. The VNC client runs on the local computer and connects to the VNC server running on the remote computer. The client can be used to view and interact with the remote desktop environment as well as to transfer files and perform other tasks. VNC clients are available for a wide range of platforms, including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and mobile devices.